Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. This is especially for class 5 students, the students who are in standard 5 in the school and they are learning German. I have made some more videos that you can find in the class 5 playlist. There is a separate playlist, you can find all the suitable videos for your standard. So today I will do this topic, was und where. What is the difference was und where? When do we use was and when do we use where? Was means what? If I talk about something, I will say was. But if I talk about someone, person, I will use where. Okay, where is for person, we say person. And was is for thing, anything, table, chair, lamp, house, sofa. I will use was. So we have to here fill up the suitable question word. W Frage, was or where. This we have to do. So you can see I have written here answer. So you will see the answer first. Okay, and then you will identify whether we should write was or where. In the first sentence you can see this is the blank and ist das. Blank ist das. And you can see the answer. Das ist Herr Verma. Matlab this is Mr. Verma. So here I am talking about Mr. Verma. Herr Verma means Mr. Verma. He is a person. He is a man, human being. So for the person, what is the W Frage word? What is the question word? You can see here. Question word for the person is where. So the complete question is where is das? Who is this? Where is das? Or who is that? Where is das? Clear? So where is das? And the answer is das ist Herr Verma. Das ist Herr Verma. This is Mr. Verma. Understand? So this way we do these types of questions. Now further, das ist ein Tisch. This is a table or that is a table. Means my answer is this is a table. Okay, das ist ein Tisch. So here it was Mr. Verma. So I have used where. W-E-R. And my question is, where is das? Absolutely right. Who is this? This is Mr. Verma. Here, das ist ein Tisch. This is the table. That is a table. Question, was ist das? What is this? So here I will write was. I hope now you understand the difference was and where. This is very, very important. You can have this kind of exercise in your textbook of class 5. So you can learn that book also. And after learning that book, you can watch this video. And you can tell your friends. They can also understand. Next is sie ist Tina. Third answer. Sie ist Tina. She is Tina. So what is my question? Who is this or what is this? Now can you tell me who is this or what is this? Yes. Who is this? Tina is a human being. Tina is a person like Mr. Verma. So Tina, who is this? So my question is, where is das? My question is, where is das? W-E-R. Okay, W-E-R where in English it means who. Who is this? She is Tina. So here I have written Z. It means she. Z. How do we say? Z. Buzzing sound. Z means she. She is Tina. Next, das ist eine Lampe. This is a lamp. This is a lamp. I can draw, if I can draw correctly. Okay. Okay, yes. This is a lamp. So what is this? Because it is an object. It is an object. So was ist das? Was ist das? What is this? What is that? That is a lamp. Das ist eine Lampe. Next, er ist mein Vater. Er ist mein Vater. Er means he. Er, he. And it was sie, she. You can repeat after me. Er, sie, er, sie. So he is my father. Again here I am talking about my father, person, human being. The answer is, who is this? Where? Where is das? That's it. So simple. And the last, das sind Rohan und Vijay. These are plural. Sind means are. For plural, two things we use are. Sind. Rohan und Vijay. These are Rohan and Vijay. My question is, who are these or what are these? Rohan and Vijay, person, might be two friends, two neighbors, two colleagues, two siblings. Who are they? So where? Where sind das? That's all in this class. I hope you enjoyed the class. So you can watch all previous videos related to your class 5 standard in the playlist. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Cheers. Auf Wiedersehen.